Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be making some banana nut muffins. Here we have 4 bananas, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon and a half of vanilla extract. We're going to be adding 1/4 cup of heavy whipped cream. We're going to start mixing it well. Now we're going to put that aside and start with the dry ingredients. Here we have 2 cups of flour, and we're going to add 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Now we're going to add 3/4 cups of regular fine white sugar. And now we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda and baking powder. Here we have 1.5 cups of pecans. Use 3/4 cups for the dry mix and the other 3/4 cups for the topping. So we're going to add the first 3/4 cups to the dry mix and mix well. Make sure you mix well. And you can also use your hands to break down the brown sugar chunks. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredients with the banana mix, a little bit at a time. Make sure that we are scraping the bottom to make sure that all the dry ingredients like the flour and all those ingredients are nice and wet. Now the last thing we're going to do, we're going to add that 1/4 cup of olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. Mix it well. And now they're ready to pan up.
There's a variety.
We're going to grab some baking cups, and we are going to scoop 1/3 cup in each muffin cup. Now we're going to use the other 3/4 cups of pecans and use it as a topping. This will give you 16 muffins. Now these muffins are ready to go in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. At the 12-minute mark, just turn the pan around and put it back in the oven so they can all bake evenly. And here you have it, guys. After 25 minutes, these are the banana nut muffins. Very nice and moist, delicious. Try them and you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy and you guys try them, because these muffins are delicious. See you on the next video.